Hello, welcome back to part 2 of this Coinbase tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up your two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we go into the video, please smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever we upload any other video. So let's get into it. We had set our account and we had done that one on the past video, and today we are going to set up the two-factor authentication, because the two-factor authentication helps you or prevents you from hacking, because there is a two-step verification. Because if a hacker can get your password, then they can't get your phone. That's why we are setting the two-factor authentication. So when we go here, buy and sell, we just can't buy and sell because we haven't identified ourselves. So we have to identify ourselves first before we set up the two-factor authentication. But the other way is true. You can even set up the two-factor authentication before identifying your verification. So let's verify using your ID. So this is the first name and this is the last name and your date of birth. You just put it here. I'll just blur my details out so that you cannot see them. Then after putting on your details, you go to continue. You click this button here, continue. Then now you submit your ID. The identity verification is required. So select the ID type. So in here, you will select your country ID or your passport. And if you read down here, you see your photo ID and actions captured during ID verification process may constitute biometric data. Please see our privacy policy. For more information about how we store your biometric data, select ID to proceed. So you can select the passport here or ID. So I'm just going to select ID. Choose an upload method. You can choose a webcam if you have a computer webcam, and you can also choose a file upload if you have taken some photos of your ID, so you can just upload them. But the recommendation here is you use your mobile camera. So you're just going to use your mobile camera to take the photo of ID and then upload. So I'm just going to select the recommended here, the mobile camera. So then the link will be sent into your phone number that we have put earlier. So in that one, that is the link that is going to be sent into your phone number that we have ordered earlier. And when you click it, I just have my phone over here and I'll just click it. So this is my phone. I'm just going to tap the screen here. Just tap the take a photo. Then you have a photo of your ID. And then you complete verification within some few minutes, and then upload successful. As you can see here, upload successful. Your identity is being verified. Verification is still processing. Your ID requires additional verification. We'll email you once verification has been completed. So it will take like from 2 hours to 3 days, and your ID will be verified if everything is correct. So just make sure that the photo of your ID is clear enough, because if it's blurred or some blurry images, they will not accept some blurry images. So make sure that phone or the camera that you're using to the photo of your ID is clear enough so that they can read. So it takes between 2 hours and 24 hours. So just get that in mind. And after doing that, you will go back. So you'll just wait for your email. If they don't verify your account, you'll just have to do it again until your account will be verified. So after that, we're now going to set up the two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator. So just click here and then go to settings and then go to security, tab, and then go to Authenticator. They will send you an SMS of a code of the phone number that you used while signing up for Coinbase account, for your account, and then you just take it from there. You read that SMS and that number you'll put here, and then you confirm. On this page you will use the Google Authenticator. So enable the Authenticator support. Install an Authenticator app on your device if you don't already have one. We support these options. You can click here and see the options that they support, but I'm going to show you what you should use so that you don't have to click the options. Scan the QR code with the Authenticator or tap in mobile browser. Once Authenticator app is enabled, all other two-factor methods will not be accepted. Okay, so I just want to show you what you can do. Your phone, and go, if it's Android, you go to App Store and you search for Google Authenticator. This is the first link, and then you install. But as you can see, mine is already installed. So what I'll do, I'll just open it and I'll show you what you can do. Or if you have a Google Authenticator on your phone, you just click it and it will open the Google Authenticator. Then what you'll do is you click the plus sign button and you scan the QR code. And what you'll do, you just scan the QR code here. This QR code, I'm just going to scan mine. And after that happens, the Google Authenticator will record your Coinbase account on the Authenticator. So whenever, just come to Coinbase and write the numbers that is given there, and then you enable. So as you can see now, you successfully enabled the Google Authenticator, and you also get an SMS to your phone that says your two-factor settings have been changed. You also get that one on your email. So it will show you that your Authenticator will be shown. So that's how you set up the two-factor authentication. And this is the UbCube, or you can use your security key device. So this one you use something called YubiKey, and it's like a pen drive. So whenever you want to logging into your Coinbase account, you just plug it in on your computer, and it will set up the Coinbase automatically, so without using the other two. But it's expensive, you have to buy it. So if you want to buy it, I'll also give the link in the description below if you want to buy it, and I'll also show you how you can set it up on upcoming videos. So that is how you set up the Google Authentication. So as you can see, our account is now very secure, as you can see, but other options like text message was moderately secure. So we are actually not using the text message here, but you'll now be using the Google Authenticator. So that's how you set up the two-factor authentication. Preferences is, I'm just using US dollars here, but if you want to use your country fiat currency, you just choose between here, and then the Coinbase will update it automatically on your account so that you can see all the prices according to your fiat currency. And you can also select these are the email notification. So when you send or receive crypto, do you want to receive an email? So when you receive merchant orders, do you want to receive an email? So there are recommended actions on your account. Do you want to receive an email? So these are important emails according to me. Okay, So according to me, these are the important mails. So you can select all these and save, because you want to know whether your account needs some actions, or you receive merchant orders, or you send and receive crypto. So you just want to know all that. And then the security is what we have done. You can also change your password here if you want, and you can manage the phone numbers here. You can also manage this. You can set up another phone number, and this is the Google Authenticator that we have done. And device management, this is where the Coinbase gives you the trusted devices. So like as you can see now here, I have my desktop and my IP address over here. So this is my IP address and this is my desktop, currently desktop. And the activity, or these are the activities that has happened when on your Coinbase account. So all the web sessions will be here, all the confirmed devices, whether you are logging on your Coinbase using your phone or your laptop or your computer, and this everything will be done here. And this is the account activity. Even the location will be here. And the privacy, these are the privacy tabs and the payments methods. Those are the privacy tabs. You can just go and read it out, read them, and payment methods and the API, account limits, and allow list. All your messages will be here, the notification. So the notification here is telling me that your password was changed, which I did change my password at this time, and your two-step verification setting has been changed. This is what we've done now, and it was exactly 8:19 p.m. So it has taken me less than 30 minutes, and my account has been verified. So my account has been verified, but if I click buy/sell here, it now gives me that I can buy and sell crypto using my fiat currency, my country fiat currency. So I can sell, I can convert. But if you have not verified yourself, then this buy and sell, as we saw earlier, will not come or will not show you this. So you have to verify your account so that Coinbase also know who you are. Okay? Because for security purposes, Coinbase should know who you are. And you can trade, you can pay. So today that was the tutorial for today, and see you in the next video. Also, if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when we upload Coinbase videos like this or any other tutorial, then you will be the first one to know.